It's fishing time, it's fishing time, it's fishing time. So we've just arrived and I had to clear the camera, but there's big things of bait fish here on the front of the water here, front of the shore here. I need to clean this window so bad. Jeez, it's soft down here. Just right here. I should have brought my bait net. I should always have it on me. But anyway, and then there was big schools of them all the way along, but geez, it's soft down here. Come up here a bit. Yeah, so there's another big little school of them up here. It's late, it's 4:10, 24th of June 2025, so just want to have a look. There's another big little school of them here. Someone's got their net out there. Jeez, eh? I have seen people drag netting here and getting prawns, so anyway, we're gonna get loaded in. High tide's coming in, and get our way out. So that's the plan. I'll be back. Well, actually, we're gonna just go launch straight into this little river. I like the stupidness. Well, to me it's not stupid, it's fun. It's just a bit of fun, you know. Can easily not launch and just go straight out like normal, but we'll just go straight in that little river. Just, is it the authenticity of it? I can't think of the word. The humour of it. Oh, it's funny. We've got to get it all ready though, and we'll got to keep an eye on how soft it is actually, because you get a good old surprise and just sink. But alright, let's get ready and get out there, man. Well, there's bait fish everywhere out there, you can see them. Anyway, here we go. Want to get some dinner, and we're here for the night, sleeping in the car. We'll be here tomorrow, isn't it? It's fishing time, it's fishing time, it's fishing time. Alright, I'm just wearing this, it is winter here. It is so beautiful. Look at that water. Oh man, I thought I'd forgotten my booties. Anyway, let's get out there. Just about to back in, everything's ready to go, pretty much. It's roll time. Put this on backwards so it doesn't affect our camera. Be back in a minute. Oh, there's all that bait fish right there again. That line there. Just that line right there. All the way along. Anyway, alright, we're all loaded, ready to go. Get that bilge pump rocking. We're already full of water, can see that. Have we even got a bloody, I didn't bring a pedal, of course not. Right, what end is this? This is the motor end. Right. Get a bit of gas through. We just fixed the pull cord yesterday. Look, this thing's blinking, filling up quick. She leaks really bad now. And it's come off. It's all right. We won't be letting her go out. Oh. I don't think we'll be able to starter. So what I will do is I'll just park over here again, and I'll have to the knot must have come undone. It's being cut. It's definitely being, well, I don't know. Well, I'll go grab a 10mm just in case. I just fixed the pull cord yesterday, but it's just come straight off for some reason. Right. Oh my gosh. This is so good. So good. So good. We might be hitting the bottom. Definitely charge this battery up tonight. It's fishing time, it's fishing time, it's fishing time. Well, we're hitting the bottom. I melted the end of this rope, so hopefully it's got burn marks on it. So what we'll do is we'll just go forward here. Hopefully it's enough to get us out over this shallow bit. 2,000 gallons per hour bilge pump to keep it dry. It just does. We got geysers of water coming through here. There's holes everywhere. Big split right there. And there's just holes everywhere. I need to fix her up. I will, when we're not fishing, that is. All right, we made it. We're just going to leave the motor going. We're not going to be here all that long, hopefully. So I use a Kuma Avenger 8000 bait runner option reels. Go in, get your food, get your bait, get your petrol. You can't beat that. Always in a hurry on these trips. All right, still no bites. Hopefully the motor's not scaring them away. Well, I was just going to say, my car is not as messy as it seems, okay? There's actually stuff in there that's not rubbish. It's not rubbish. It looks like rubbish, it's not. Most of it's not. There's a couple of little bits of rubbish, but it's mainly important stuff that I've just got there for situations, all kinds of situations. Including drones and all sorts of stuff, inverters. There's a huge range of stuff in there. It's not all rubbish, if you think it is. Just in case you thought I had this disgustingly dirty car, it's not actually. It is dirty. but the stuff in it isn't rubbish. Yeah, so I don't know why this cord has come off. I just put a new cord on yesterday. Yep, so this boat's the dinghy. I've had it for 25 years ish. She's got holes everywhere, but I love her. Got about 5 other boats, and I take this one generally. I love this boat. I don't care what anyone says about it. I love her. I'll never ever sell her. I did sell her once, and I bought her back. Bought her back for a really good wetsuit and a big house speaker, big house sub speaker. Had a 9.8 Mercury on it at the time, long leg, which was an excellent motor. Yeah, so I love this dinghy. I've had it back for, I don't know, easy, I don't know, 12 years or more. Well over that really, and then before that I had it for a long time as well. So it's our same seagull from the houseboat trip. Come on man. I just fed him something. He likes to go and hang over way over there, so when I throw him I got to throw a little bit, and then because he's going to miss that bit, and then throw another bit. How do I know it's the same seagull? Because he's got the same colour. I just know. I spent 5 days, he spent 5 days with me. Just giving him some Kawairo. And Kawai meat. Pretty cool. Look at all these oyster catchers. Real cool. Real pretty. I think we'll actually just go straight on. Putting the boat on. Have to get my mullet net. Get my mullet net in here. All right. Oh yeah, back in, we're on our way. Then we're just gonna go do something, try something out. I've been wanting to go to the pub here for ages and try their food, so I'm gonna do it tonight. Good. Anyway, yabla. All right. One thing about camping out in the car is it's you can turn the heater on. It's freaking cold tonight. It's freezing. It's freezing. Yeah, so got the sleeping bag. This is my winter one. It's a bit tight for my fatness at the moment. Got the car on. Subaru heater's going. Oh, I fell asleep. I just went to yeah, so anyway, oh, right next to the ocean. Can hardly see it the other way, but it's right here. It's just right outside the door. But anyway, yeah, quiet night in the car tonight. I always camp in the car. This is my tent. This is my couch. Normally have the TV on too, but like I said, I sort of fell asleep. But anyway, all right. Good morning. One thing I will say though is this car is so comfy to sleep in. Like this seat, the front driver's seat, I have the best sleeps in here. Here's where we slept. This is this side. We found our tools. We found a screwdriver. Cat got a bit of our bait last night. So let's get this off. Hopefully it's not all too tight. We could go up the road and ask to use a 10mm socket and extension, but we should have it with this. Alright, so it's sort of good enough. Whoops. For today. Something's not quite right. It could be right. I might need to just recut this cord, but it's yeah, I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna take some tools out with me. It's starting the motor, it's fine, it's retracting. I think there's something wrong with the spring. So I'm just going to take it out as it is and sort it out when I get home. Wait, we're going to get a fire going here and have some breakfast before we go out. Again, when the cord came, it had a little pin on the end of the cord, so that was what you use instead of the nut. Instead of putting a knot to stop the cord coming out. But that pin came off yesterday on the first pull, even though I tried it a million times at home before we came, and it was, you know, it was fine. I checked that the pin was locating and it was fine. Anyway, time for a bit of breakfast, and then we are fishing, man. Hello, darling. Oh man, you can't moan, eh? You can't moan when you're in this situation, you know? Ah, man. Anyway, get the fire going. Get your bait, the best bait. It's all human grade seafood. And then get your food for the trips like this, whatever you need. And then your fuel while you're there for the car, the boat, the truck, whatever. Just wrap that up. Alright, we can't wait any longer. I'm really not hungry. I just know as soon as I get out on the water I will be, and this will do. Straight on there like that. Straight on there like that. And now we just set our timer, give it 20 minutes max. Alright, here we go. 18 minutes, nearly 19 minutes. Take this one, might as well take them both, eh? That was delicious. Second one here. Cordon bleu, look at that, all oily and oh my gosh, so hot. Yeah. Our 2,000 gallons per hour. There's the carway out there. There's the carway out there. Real way. Alright, they're way down here actually. They're all coming across at the front here. So we're going to go and chase them. They're right down there is where the where it's at. Oh, more grunt. I think he's all good. Hey, baby, I love you, darling. I love you. We were supposed to be going over to that island this week and staying over in the houseboat, but another time. I can't see where they're all going. I can just see them everywhere though, all the way, way out. Look at this. Look at how many there is. Oh, that's cool. Look at them all. Look at them. They're everywhere. They're just everywhere. And we're one of them. We're Leroy bird, Dinky bird, Mercury bird, Akuma bird, Pack and Save bird, Warehouse bird, yeah, Subaru bird, where's all the fish? Far out, I don't know where these birds are going to, because we're in, and that's O'Reary Point right there. We might have made a bad choice following these birds. As much fun as it was. So we might have made the right choice, but they're gone again from up here. We're still going. Birds, some more birds here. They're everywhere. But I can't find where they're going. Here they are. There's a small amount of them here. But way up further, there's a massive, massive one. So we'll go to that one. Oh, look at all the birds. There's a huge one. There's fish here though. There is fish here. But that one up there is massive and it's all the way along. See, these guys are off there anyway. Look at them all. I don't know if you can see all the birds. Look, there's just birds every, like massive amount. I haven't seen a school like this for years. Years and years. Look, there's bait fish all here. There's bait fish all here, look. They're all here. Anywhere here you would put down a line and you'd slay it. A snapper. But we'll get in on the, we'll get in. And well, once we get done here, when we head back up the other end of the, at my other spot, it's going to be massive today. It's going to be crazy up here. This is nuts. This is real nuts. There's birds everywhere, like everywhere. Just gotta go slow so I don't run Indy over. Look at them all. Right, we'll just keep up with the flock. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Nuts, bro. Nuts. Look at this. I'm one of the birds, bro. Look at this crap, bro. I finally got on them. Here's where the fish are. Alright, let's get a bait. Let's go over there. Let's stay with them. It's hard to stay with them because they move so quick. Right, let's get a bait down. So we use a Kuma 8000 Avenger Reels bait runner option. Get all our bait from Pack and Save. We're gonna have to stay off the birds here, so when they move, we move. Hopefully they come back to us. Yeah, we get all our bait from Pack and Save. We get all our food from Pack and Save. We get Mill Street, Hamilton, New Zealand. We get all our fuel from Pack and Save, so it's a one-stop shop. It's just the best. Pull in, get your bait, which is food, human grade seafood, and we use the warehouse hooks, sinkers, line, tackle, swivels, all our tackle from the warehouse. This allows us to be anywhere, because generally most towns have got a warehouse or Pack and Save, and always have the freshest bait at the best prices as well, and food and petrol. So yes, and again Subaru towing the boats. Oh, what's happening with me when it does that? Must be a bite. Are we in? We will stay on the back of these birds. Which I think we will move. Don't want to hit any of these birds. See, they're going right back to where we were. Hello. Hello. Where are they? There they are there. All right. It's hard to keep up with them, eh? Now they're way down there. We're not getting anything yet. We will though. We will. We'll just stay here for a bit. We just don't want them getting too far away on us. They're on the move again. Look, they're just right there. We're gonna have to stay in one spot and just hope they come here. We're not getting any anything at the moment. The snapper will be here with them, but getting onto them, obviously they're moving with the fish, so yeah, like these ones here, they're just hanging around here waiting to tell these other birds that are over there all chasing that, you know, there's fish over here, and there's one over there, there's one over there, and look, see, they just have a look down. Oh yeah, here they come. Then they let their buddies know. There's birds, just a couple of birds stay back in little different spots, have that all ringed out, so anywhere they move, once they go past, and then they have a turn at, you know, and those birds that are over there stay there, these birds stay here. Hey, is there any fish down there, guys? You tell me when you tell them to come back over here. Here we go. Look at this. Oh, nearly got me in the head, buddy. Oh, getting hit by a line. Wow, look at them. We'll just put our line down because they're getting hit. The birds are flying into the line. Wow. Wow. Might have to put a soft bait down. We've only got one on us. Not getting nothing. Oh. In close now. Don't seem to be able to, I can see the bottom. Can just see the bottom. Hopefully we're in the right spot here. Oh, there's the little fish. I just saw one. Come on, bruh. You're catching out. Bilge pump. We've got a bird. What's happening there, mate? Don't worry, I'll get you off. Stay still. Stay still. Stay still. Stay still. Alright, we've got a bit of a... Hopefully I don't get too bitten. Stay still, mister. Stay still. Oh, calm down. Calm down. We're gonna have to cut the line. There we go. We'll just have a look at the this is where we'll be coming out. So I'll launch in here. Got our first fish on. Wow. Might be just a nice little, don't think it's even, might be a penny. Nice little penny. Very skinny. Just legal. All right, nice little beauty. Give her a kiss. We're gonna go in and head up to our other spot. It's a quick drift in here, in by the mussel boys here. Look at these idiots, man. They've just left this net here. The birds are just having a great old day, car wise. Jeepers cripes. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Alright, we're just here at my spot, hoping to wait for the tide and get our boat out. Here we go. Tide's in just about. Not too much longer and we're going to be floating. Floating away. Here it comes. It's just on its way in. Nothing could stop it. Alright, we're in. We're on our way. Alright, we're back at my spot. We're here last night. First bait's out. Prawn. Let's see how we go. We've got one snapper in the boat today. After all our cruising around. Sardines. $8.99 a kg. Pack and save. Human grade. Beautiful, beautiful bait. Straight through the eye and out the top of the head. Bomb. If I wanted to, I could cook that up and eat it. Mill Street, Hamilton. No fish anywhere today, so we're just going to shoot down to Just outside the mouth, just down the end here. All right, we're here. I gotta be honest, there's no real fish around today. Nearly there. See Subaru there. Shallow. Yeah. Sorry guys, after all, and ladies, after all of that, no fish, well, one fish that we put back, so this is the best I can do for you at this, to give you something anyways, some kind of action. Yola, it's fishing time, it's fishing time, it's fishing time. We got us a beauty, we got us a bloody beauty. Got to our new spot, it's our first bloody fish, straight away, we're on. Oh, did it get off? Sorry, it's been on for a bit too. It's a good size one. Trying to hide the phone, and we got it on prawn. On our, I need to tighten up that drag. It's a good fish. It's a very good fish. We don't want to lose them. He's trying to get off, he really is. Oh yeah. He's a good fish. Very good fish. Just trying to fish and hold. Oh, that's a good fish. He's a beauty. On prawn. We just got a massive bait down too. We've got to land this. Oh yeah, he's a beauty. He's a beauty. All right, so he's a good size fish. I'll just get it in so we don't lose it. Yes, good size fish. First for the boat. We would let it go, but it looks it looks like it swallowed the hook, and yeah, she's not bad. She's a good sized fish. Very good sized fish. I might just move this rod over here. Very good sized fish. So yes, we shall see if we can dispatch it, and we might put them back, because that's what we do. What a good sized fish.